What do you feel like are your biggest strengths? I think you probably just touched on them. Like as a company, where do you feel like your strengths are, and what do you feel like, what do you want to have happen over the next couple of years here? And I know you've kind of shifted to being much more of a leader.
Right.
You want to empower other women,
Right.
other entrepreneurs and
startup
whatnot.
businesses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me what the future looks like.
For MyGirls is to have an elite amount of clients. We cannot clean every house in Apple Valley,
Yeah.
Lakeville, Minnetonka, anywhere we go. We cannot. And we're not for everybody. But we want to be able to be in the homes of those that are seeking the quality and the kind of services that we provide.
Yeah.
And you're going to pay for a service no matter what, no matter if you're looking for house cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
So our goal is to not say downsize, because we're not really going to downsize, but we want to level off and say that's enough of this growing and growing. Obviously we'll always be revolving door of new clients, but take care of our clients and be able to provide the kind of cleaning that we know we can do. And we will obviously, like anybody that's selling a product, we want to be appreciated. Mm-hmm. We want to be needed. Yeah. I don't want to go into a home that doesn't really need me or doesn't, and we'll even tell them, you really don't need me every weekend. Mm-hmm. How about if we do it once a month? You're only here. And it's not about how much money we can make or how many times I can clean your house. It's about what you need. So for MyGirls, I see my children, I have given it everything I can. Every penny, everything I could possibly do. The company belongs only to me because I wanted to take all the negative hits as we build it, and I'm turning it over to them. Yeah, it provides a wonderful living for me, and I've done the work for that. If you want to see the stars, tell me. I tell my team, tell me what you want to do. I will give you the support. I will do the big scary things because that's my job. I do all the big hard scary things and moving the vision, rebranding, taking care of any past debt or whatever we're doing that way. But you guys have to tell me. And I'm so blessed to have an amazing team that has a great creative dream as to what they want to use their talents. And I believe that's, I think it's 4 girls and a son, I believe, that work here up front. And there's so many things that MyGirls will do. And when I think of MyGirls, I've had tons of dreams like this. I see her like this amazing baby, this amazing, obedient, wonderful child that has given me so much joy. It was work and to raise and grow her, but now it's time for me to be in the back burner, let the children move with her. My goal is to use this experience, and I have done several times, bless other entrepreneurs. Yeah. And I'm a very busy only parent, and I still could do it. And I raised 9 beautiful, amazing humans that I put out in our community. They're well, law-abiding, amazing, go to church, and they serve our community. So I feel like if I could do that, anybody else could do that. Now, they need to have the passion, dream, desire, need, whatever it is. But so that is what I see for MyGirls and for Pamela Jones. I will continue just sharing my story.
Because you want to encourage other women.
I want to encourage you.
And me.
You don't look good in a dress, but I still want to encourage you.
Absolutely.
You can be an amazing business entrepreneur. I mean, you're quite a bit younger than me, and I can just say, hey, I saw you tear up when you heard my story. Oh, and I know you tried to hold it in, but you thought, how does someone come from that and be so positive, so well-rounded, and still give to our community? We all have a story of how we got where we're at, and mine's not any better than anybody else. It's easier for people to say, oh my gosh, that was hard. But we all have our challenges and our fears and our, what's it called, that imposter syndrome that we go through, you know?
Oh,